Is Avatrade good? Have you used Avatrade before? What was your experience? Leave your Avatrade review in the comments section below. Avatrade, a leading online broker, has established itself as a reputable platform for traders worldwide. With its user-friendly interface, diverse range of tradable instruments, and strong regulatory oversight, Avatrade has garnered a positive reputation among both seasoned and novice traders. One of the standout features of Avatrade is its commitment to regulatory compliance. The broker is regulated by multiple financial authorities, including the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, FSCA, in South Africa. This oversight ensures that Avatrade adheres to strict standards of fairness, transparency, and client protection. Avatrade offers a variety of trading platforms to cater to different preferences and trading styles. MetaTrader 4, MT4, and MetaTrader 5, MT5, two of the most popular trading platforms in the industry, are available to clients. These platforms provide advanced charting tools, technical indicators, and automated trading capabilities. Additionally, Avatrade's proprietary web-based platform offers a streamlined and intuitive trading experience. The broker's extensive range of tradable instruments allows traders to diversify their portfolios and capitalize on various market opportunities. From Forex and stocks to commodities and cryptocurrencies, Avatrade provides access to a wide array of assets. This diversity enables traders to tailor their strategies to their individual risk tolerance and investment objectives. To support traders in their journey, Avatrade offers a comprehensive suite of educational resources. These resources include tutorials, webinars, and market analysis, designed to help traders enhance their knowledge and skills. By providing access to educational materials, Avatrade empowers traders to make informed decisions and navigate the complexities of the financial markets. In conclusion, Avatrade has solidified its position as a reputable online broker, offering a user-friendly platform, diverse range of tradable instruments, and strong regulatory oversight. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, Avatrade provides a robust environment for you to pursue your trading goals.